So I'll be showing you how to choose or change the mobile data SIM card on your OnePlus 13. So this is basically the SIM card in a dual SIM setup that's normally used for mobile data. So just go into settings and then go to mobile network, tap on that, and then you should see the option called internet. Now if you tap on that, you can see you have the option to choose whether you want to use this SIM card or this SIM card by selecting that, and that's going to be the default SIM card for mobile data. Now you can go a step further and also allow mobile data switching, and when you allow this, it basically means whatever SIM card you've chosen. So for instance, I've chosen SIM 1. Anytime I'm trying to use internet and SIM 1 does not seem to have good connectivity, it can automatically switch to SIM 2 or the alternative SIM card, and it's gonna keep checking if SIM 1 is back or whatever I've chosen is back, and then it will revert back to the default. But as long as there's no internet with the default SIM card I've chosen, it's going to switch to the other SIM card. So that's what allow mobile data switching does. So that is basically how to change or choose the mobile data SIM card for your OnePlus 13. And this is for a dual SIM setup. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.